Hello everyone, welcome to the 180 drill class. We're going to start off today with some common words. Ready? Here we go. Returned during lot, city pretty, future weather need came forward certainly, men trust above, thanking, pleasure, sorry, regard, written, years past, away, stock, life, rather, material, paper, high, why, further, fine, really, desire, taken, through, support, new, seems, suppose, several, satisfactory, help, understand, bill, close, covering, guess, room, gold, sister, opinion, train, law, low. Okay, I've got some common phrases. Here we go. That cannot, that could, that have been, that he believed, that he believes, that he can, that he could, that he feels, that he felt, that he had, that he knows, that he means, that he recalled, that he recalls, that he recollected, that he recollects, that he remembered, that he remembers, that he shall, that he should, that he understand, that he understands, that he wanted, that he wants, that he was, that he would say, that I believe, that I believed, that I can, that I could, that I feel, that I felt, that I had, that I have, that I know, that I mean to, that I mean to say, that I recall, that I recalled, that I recollect, that I recollected, that I remember, that I remembered, that I shall, that I should, that I understand, that I want. Okay, I have a number drill for you. Okay, and this is going to focus on inches, pounds, feet. Okay, here we go. Ready? When the study was completed by the Equity Insurance Company, we discovered some interesting things. First, the boys between 13 and 17 years old ranged in height from 5 feet 1 inch tall to 5 feet 11 and a half inches tall. Their weight ranged from 110 pounds to 187 pounds. Second, the girls, who were also between 13 and 17 years old, ranged in height from 5 feet tall to 5 feet 8 inches tall. Their weight ranged between 98 pounds and 155 pounds. This information has been documented by Equity Insurance. Okay, I've got some word families that end with ly. So I'm going to give you the words and then I'll give you the sentences, okay? We've got fully, truly, obviously, which you can write OFL, approximately, which you can write initial P, final L, promptly, accordingly, consequently, internally, adversely, sincerely, hopefully, particularly. Okay, here we go. Do you fully understand the charges filed against you? We are fully aware of her condition. Are you truly interested in this case? She is truly a good sport. Obviously, no one will participate. He is obviously an exception to the rule. Will you comply or promptly reply to this letter? Promptly send your payment to this address. We are accordingly very embarrassed about this situation. Accordingly, the jury reached a verdict. He is particularly concerned with her welfare. We are particularly interested in her opinion. Consequently, no one sent in their response. Dave is consequently a valuable ally. She was injured internally. The bullet lodged internally. Sam was adversely affected by the strike. Will his testimony adversely affect your case? The vehicle stopped approximately 20 feet from the intersection. Was the knife approximately 6 inches long? Hopefully we will have his answer by Monday. Stacy will hopefully recover from her injuries. She is sincerely interested in a promotion and a raise. Okay, my next drill is going to be covering different briefs and then reading back those briefs in sentences. Okay, you're going to hear essential, which is S-E-S-H-L, eventual, V-E-N-L, examining room, that's going to be initial X, final R-M, examining room, industrial, S-T-R, long E-L, industry is going to be S-T-R, long E, stri, let the record reflect, L-E-K-T, may I approach, M long A-P, MAPE, motion granted, M-O-G, motion denied, M-O-D, and I'm going to read your sentences now, okay? Here we go. Ready? Water is essential for life. The eventual end of the world is near. The doctor was in the examining room. It was industrial cleanser. Bob was the best in the industry. Let the record reflect his statement. May I approach the bench, Your Honor? Motion granted. No, motion denied. And again, motion denied, you can either flag motion denied or you can flag the word mod. Either one works, whatever one you want to choose. Okay. Moving right along. My next drill focuses on buy and buy. I want to buy the house and let's go buy the store. Obviously, B-U-Y is going to be your long I. Ready? Buy then, buy now, buy today. Will buy, may buy, can buy. Buy 5, buy 9, buy 4. Shall buy, could buy, might buy. Buy there, buy here, buy night. Should buy, would buy, does buy. Did you buy it new? I'll go by train. Buy a new watch. By then you'll see. Sit down by me. Buy a new washer. Walk by the house. Buy up the stock. Set it by the door. It was a good buy. He passed by me. Leave by the exit. Buy the new codes. Buy some new lamps. Line up 2 by 2. Buy your pass by tomorrow. By whom are you employed? I'll buy anything on sale. We are going to go by boat. Did you buy enough? Go by way of Texas. I just can't buy it. Be in court by 9. One cannot buy time. Can you finish by noon? I can't buy that argument. By the way, don't repeat. Complete it by noon. I want to buy it new. Time went by fast. He will buy the law books. Have they come by here yet? I want to buy a motorcycle. By the way, where is it? Who will buy the supplies? It was said by the judge. Did he buy the goods? Be here by September. He tried to buy time. I went by to see him. Buy a used car. She came home by bus. When did you buy that car? Let's go by the old house. Buy your tickets earlier. Okay. I've got some Tangle Tamers here, and these are challenging. Ready? Here we go. Controversial lampoons. Optimistic entomologist. Confiscated memorabilia. Technical violations. Massive coronary. Outlaw desecration. Traditionally artistic. Demonstrated reticence. Complementary installation. Entrepreneurial imagination. Commercial newsletter. Practical instruction. Potential supplier. Romantic rebound. Immunodeficiency virus. Basically restructuring. Racketeering charges. Pressuring regulators. Okay, I'm going to give you some legal terms and then read you the paragraph. You're going to hear voluntarily, which you can use the brief for volunteer is VO, so voluntarily, just come back for the LAE. Executed, official, affidavit, and you can either write that as AFT or AFD, either one works. Concealment, verbatim, transcript, disclosure, deposition, DEP. Format, jurat, clause, interrogatory, which is TROG, trog, docket, contempt. Here is your paragraph. A voluntarily written statement executed under oath before an official of the court is called an affidavit. A jurat clause appears at the end of the affidavit. Interrogatories are questions answered under oath outside the courtroom. The court reporter prepares a verbatim transcript of most proceedings. The disclosure of facts known about a case is prepared in question and answer format in a deposition. A party is guilty of concealment when the facts known about the case are withheld. This action can lead to a contempt of court charge. The trial date for a case is entered on the court docket. And that concludes our 180 drill class. Have a great day.